Hello and welcome to Personas Step by Step for those who need a little more help about figuring out how to make personas. So, hold on to your hats. This is going to have a lot of montage in it. So, here's the first part. We're going to start by writing out all of the pieces that we need. Because I don't have my video camera with me today, I'm working far away from home, I'm going to use my touchpad and the pen. It's a little gritty, but it works. Remember, you're just trying to write down the kind of basics that you need to know about a person, their name, their age, and all of that important information. From this point, we're going to go fast forward. We are getting to the second part of the process. So once again, I'm using the Paint app on my computer, and what I'm doing is I'm creating a very quick, dirty layout of what I think this persona final finished product should look like. I'm also not going to use a lot of specific names or categories, and I'm not writing anything in, just kind of indicating what the layout is going to be. Okay. Fast forward from this point on. For this final part, to put together everything else, I have my cheat sheet. And I also am ready to log into my Extensio site. I'm using the free subscription, so it's just one persona per so many days. I'm also going to just take screenshots of it to complete the procedure, because then I get a ping. Okay, so here goes. I sign in. I'm going to use my untitled persona, so I'm going to edit the folio. You can use templates. I picked this cool blue one. If you would like to use a different template, you can go back to the main site and you can look at the different templates. You can see that you have personas for UX design, you have personas for corporations and comparison. It's kind of nice. You can see that there's different types of personas for market and strategy. I went with the UX design one, so I'm going to use that template. But I am going to go into my folios again, and I'm going to say edit folio. All right. Now, if you want to add different sections, you can add modules over here. There's a little drop-down menu at the top. You can add modules over here, add columns. You can look at the color schemes. I'm going to go with pink. I think that's kind of cool. And I'm cool with that one. You can look at backgrounds, so you can actually upload an image for a background, select from a gallery, or just use a background color. I'm going to select from gallery. Okay, that was too much. I changed my mind. Cancel. So we'll do a background color of just white. Perfect. Or a light gray. Ooh, there we go. I'm probably going to fast forward this. Apply. There we go. And if you want to share or export or see, there's the drop-down options for that. This is going to be my primary persona. And so I'm going to type in my person's name, which is Alex.
Okay, I'm happy with this. Cool. Let's preview it. And download it. And for fun, we're just going to be the ping. You can also save as a PDF. And download. And you're done.